So I'm about to go pick up my dad, and we're headed to Seekonk Speedway for the monster truck show. Now, there are 8 monster trucks coming, and there's gonna be, I've already seen some pictures. There's big dirt jumps, school buses to jump over, and figure 8s for the monster trucks, crazy stuff. So I'll be recording. So I'm also working off a new setup. I got a Joby GorillaPod tripod for 5K cameras, 11 pounds. This thing is hefty. It's a lot to handle, but it's you know, I have the Canon EOS 80D, so it's a pretty hefty camera, and it supports it. It's working pretty good. Just arrived yesterday, so we'll see what it can do. Yo, hey, how are ya?
Good, how are you? What's that camera?
Say hello to the video.
What's that camera doing?
Say oh hey.
Me?
Oh, come on, you ready for some monster trucks?
Absolutely. 1,000, 2,000 horsepower noise? Absolutely.
Think I can fit in one of these? It's not so comfy.
I see your fantasy. You wanna make it a reality, baby. Don't see inside of our heads, yeah. Well, now that's over. I see your motives inside. Decisions to hide.
There we go, popping that. Here we go. That's a wheelie. Here we go. Oh, slap wheelie from Crustacean. Sky wheelie coming out. Oh boy! Wow!
It's your favorite music, right?
Yes, it is.
Country. That's his favorite.
This isn't country, is it? It sounds too country. You know what happens when you play a country song? Backwards?
What?
You get your house back, your wife back, your dog back, your pickup truck back.
A country song backwards.
Backwards, that's how, yeah. That's what you get when you play a country song backwards.
How many people want to see a backflip out there?
Back off, I'll take you on. Headstrong to take on anyone. I know that you are wrong. Headstrong, headstrong. Back off, I'll take you on. Headstrong to take on anyone. I know that you are wrong, and this is not where you belong.
There's your big man stack. Watching that truck. He is rocking that.
Just made it back home from the Speedway, and look at who's here. What's up, Costa Rica? Hey!
Hey,
What's her name?
What's up?
Alexa?
All you homeboys and sisters,
And the brothers,
and the brothers, and the sisters,
and the misters, and the misses.
is the misters, and the Mexicans, the French Chinese.
The Italianis.
Don't listen to this man. He's out. He's out of his
Out of his mind.
out of his mind.
So, did you have a message?
Oh yeah.
Yeah. What is it?
That was the message. Yeah.
Back to iPhone camera. Can you tell the difference? Let me know in the comments if you can tell the difference, because I'm sure you all can. That's his way of saying hello. So I'm gonna go pick up Davaine. We're gonna head to the Falmouth Plaza meet. Hopefully there'll be a few people there. And gotta get some food, because I'm pretty hungry. Who that? Yeah, boy. Yeah, I'm gonna throw those reaction videos in this video. From last night.
Don't stop trapping, boy. Got about 12 rat this morning. Got about 12 rat. Started last night. Still going.
Are you gonna look at the camera or no?
Got the pit in the corner.
Sheep brand.
Sell my partner now. But we getting this money though. I'm getting it up.
We're doing little reaction videos right now.
Nah.
You ready for this, Humphrey? I was about to ask you about that one. Yeah, he's done for the night. I think we get one more. We get one more.
You gotta look at the bright sides. Day off work. Yay!
You don't even care.
So no one was seriously injured. However, I've got a fuck of a headache. And that the scheme we like.
How you doing?
Good, how you doing?
Yeah. Let's get to the meet.
All I wanna do is take you downtown, baby.
Chinese food, and this crab rangoon is like so good. It has this oozy like stuff in it, you know. I don't even know. Boneless spare rib, like it's red. I'll put a link in my bio. You can order it. There you go. A million subs.
I've been grinding all day and all night. Hall of Fame.